Students, once again welcome to online class of math of class 3. So student, we have already done checkpoint 1.3. So today we are going to learn how to building the number. So let's start. So student, open page number 17 of your math book. Here is given see building numbers. So how you build the greatest number? So to build the greatest number, we have to write the given digit in descending order. That means from greatest to smallest. So here given one example see. You have given digit 5416 to form greatest 4-digit number. So how we form greatest 4-digit number? So to form greatest 4-digit number, we have to write this digit in descending order. So see how write here descending order is written. So see descending order is written, that is 6 5 4 1. So these digits are written in descending order. So therefore greatest 4-digit number of the given digit is 6 5 4 1. So this will be your greatest 4-digit number by using this digit. Now you understand. इन नंबर को लेके हम लोगों ने ये ग्रेटेस्ट डिजिट नंबर ग्रेटेस्ट 4-digit नंबर बिल्ड किया. इनको कैसे बिल्ड किया? इनको असेंडिंग ऑर्डर इनको डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में रख के हम लोगों ने ग्रेटेस्ट 4-digit नंबर को फॉर्म किया. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज योर स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. सो हाउ यू बिल्ड स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर? सो टू बिल्ड स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर वी हैव टू राइट द गिवन डिजिट नंबर इन increasing order or ascending order. That means from smallest to greatest. So see here again given example. You have given digit 1735 to form 4-digit smallest number. So these digits are given to form smallest 4-digit number. So what we can do? Yes, we will put this number in ascending order. So see ascending order of this digit is 1 3 5 7. So what we get? Yes, we get smallest 4-digit number by using digit 1735 is 1357. So this will be your smallest 4-digit number by using this digit. हमको smallest 4-digit number मिला इन डिजिट को यूज़ करके. कैसे? जब हमने इन डिजिट को असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखा. दैट मीन्स छोटे से बड़ा. सो वी गेट स्मॉलेस्ट 4-digit नंबर. नाउ थर्ड वन इज योर व्हेन स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर हैव 1 और मोर डिजिट्स आर 0. जब स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर फॉर्म करने वक्त अगर उसमें डिजिट है 0 है तो कैसे करेंगे? तो उसके लिए टू बिल्ड द स्मॉलेस्ट 4-digit नंबर वी हैव टू राइट फर्स्ट वी हैव टू राइट दैट डिजिट इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर, दैट इज स्मॉलेस्ट टू ग्रेटेस्ट. सो इफ वी प्लेस 0 लेकिन सो बट इफ वी प्लेस 0 इन द बिगनिंग द नंबर विल बी बिकम शॉर्टर बाई डिजिट. जो नंबर है वो शॉर्टर हो जाएगा डिजिट में. सो देखो कैसे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सी हियर from the smallest 4-digit number using digit 0 1 4 6. इन डिजिट को 0 1 4 6 इन डिजिट को यूज़ करके हमको स्मॉलेस्ट 4-digit नंबर बनाना है. तो क्या करेंगे? तो पहले तो हम लोग स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट नंबर बनाने के लिए हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? उसको असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में वी हैव टू पुट दैट इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ डिजिट. सो वी पुट द इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ डिजिट 0 1 4 6. तो दिस विल बी असेंडिंग अरेंज. So see what we get. But 0 1 4 6 is 3-digit number, that is 146. Why? Because 0 at the beginning 0 has no value. So this will be become 3-digit. So what we will do? So to get 4-digit smallest number by placing 0 we have to write first 1. देन आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू राइट 0. पहले हमको 1 को लिखना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद हमको 0 को लिखना पड़ेगा, जिससे कि हमको स्मॉलेस्ट 4-digit मिले बाय यूजिंग 0. So see, therefore see the smallest 4-digit number using the given digit number, that is 0 1, using your digit 0146. So we get smallest 4-digit number by using the given digit is 1046. So your smallest 4-digit number by using 0 is this one, 1046. Now you understand how to form greatest number and how to form smallest number and how to form smallest 4-digit number by using 0 if 0 is present there. So next is here more than, less than. So to find more than, less than. So student, to find one more than we have to add 1 to the number. अगर हमको फाइंड आउट करना है 1 मोर देन तो हमको +1 ऐड करना पड़ेगा नंबर से. सो देखो एग्जाम्पल देखो, सी हियर एग्जाम्पल, 1 मोर देन 2354. तो हमको 1 मोर देन चाहिए किसका, 2354 का. तो हम क्या करेंगे, यस वी ऐड +1 to this number, 2354 plus 1. So we add 1 to this, so what we get, yes we get 2355. So this number will be 1 more than of this number. So we get 1 more than of 2354. Yes, we get 1 more than of 2354. So this is called successor of 2354. और जब हम लोग +1 करते हैं या प्लस करते हैं कुछ भी डिजिट तो उसको बोला जाता है सक्सेसर. सो सक्सेसर इज 1 more of any number. So see here 2355 is the successor of 2354. Now you understand. Now next is here less than. Now next is here less than. So to find out one more less than we have to subtract 1 from the number. See here 1 less than. Example C, what is given in the example, 1 less than of 4326. So we will subtract 1 from that number, 4326 minus 1. So what we get, yes we get 4325. So this will be predecessor which we get this will be your predecessor of this number. That means -1 is known as predecessor. So we will say predecessor of 4326 is 4325. So this will be predecessor of this number. Now you understand. In the same way we have to find 10 more than, then we add 1 to the digit in 10 place. If we have to find 100 more than, then we add 1 to the digit in the 100 place. If we have to find 1000 more than, then we add 1 to the digit in the 1000 place. And if we find 10 less than number, then we will subtract 1 from the digit in the 10 place. If we find 100 less than, then we have to subtract 1 from the digit in the 100 place. And if we find 1000 less than, then we have to subtract 1 from the digit in the 1000 place. See this one is given. See what I am told is given here. See, so now you understand more than or less than and how to form greatest smallest number. So let's start our checkpoint 1.4. So question number 1 is given here. See, so student, let's start our checkpoint 1.4. So first question is given to you, build the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number using all the digit. One has been done for you. So see here given one is which I have already done for you, that is A number. your digit is given 2, 8, 5, 3. So to form greatest number, what we do, we have to write in descending order. So see the greatest number from greatest to smallest. So here given greatest number. To build greatest number, we have to write from greatest to smallest. So here given 8 greatest, then next is 5, then next is 3, then next is 2. So you will get 4 digit greatest number. Now in smallest number, we have to write in descending order. So here given in descending order, these digits are written in descending order, ascending order. So 2, 3, 5, 8. So this will be your smallest number. Now see number B. Here given your digit 5, 1, 0, 7. So what we do? Yes, we have to write from greatest to smallest. So which one, how we write? Yes, your greatest number is then 7, 5, 1, and then will be 0. So this will be your greatest number of this digit. This will be your greatest number. Now how will write smallest number? Yes, we have to write smallest from ascending to from smallest to greatest in ascending order. So what we write? So we have already learned that 0 have no place value in the beginning. So we do not put 0 in the beginning. We first write 1, then we write 0, then we write 5 and 7. So this will be your smallest number by using this digit. Now see C1. What is? Yes, again we have to write from greatest to smallest. So greatest number is your 8, then 7, then 6, then 1. So this will be your greatest number. Now smallest number in ascending order. So we write first 1, then we write 6, then we write 7, then we write 8. So this will be your smallest number. Now see D number. D number is your 2, 0, 7, 3. So we write from greatest. So we first write 7, then we write 3, then we write 2 and 0. So this will be your greatest number. Now smallest. Yes, again smallest, you have to write first 2, then 0, then 3, then 7. So this will be your smallest number. Now see number E. Here, greatest number is 9, then 5, then 4, then 1. And in this we have to write first 1, then 4, then 5, and then 9. So this will be your greatest number and this will be your smallest number by using this digit. Now you understand how to write, how to build greatest number and how to build smallest number. So this will be your question 1. Your answer, you got it. Now next question is your fill in the blanks. So see, fill in the blanks. So what will be the smallest 4-digit number? We have already learned what is the smallest 4-digit number. Yes, your smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Now what is the greatest 4-digit number? So greatest 4-digit number is 9999. So this will be your greatest 4-digit number. Now next is your the smallest 4-digit number with all 4 different digit. हमको डिफरेंट डिजिट को लेकर स्मॉलेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर बनाना है. तो डिफरेंट डिजिट को लेकर अगर स्मॉलेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर बनाएंगे तो क्या बनाएंगे? तो सबसे पहले तो होगा हमारा 1, उसके बाद 0 क्योंकि 0 भी है स्मॉलेस्ट, उसके बाद आएगा आपका 2 और उसके बाद होगा 3. सो दिस विल बी योर स्मॉलेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर with all 4 different digit. Now next, the greatest 4 digit number with all 4 different digit is, so which one is greatest? So you write greatest 4 digit is 9, 8, 7, then 6. So this will be your greatest 4 digit number with all different digit. This is not seen clearly, so I am write it again. See, 9, 8, 7, then 6. So this will be your greatest 4 digit number by using different digit. Now one more than of 546 is, yes, one more than of 546 is 547, because we add 1 in ones place. 10 more than, so 10 more than of 2158 is 2168, because we add 1 in 10 place. So 100 more than of 5789 is 5889. This will be 100 more than of 5789. Now 1000 more than of 4786. So your 1000 more than is 5786, because we add 1 in 1000 place. So we get this number. So your answer is 5786. Now 1 less than is, so your 1 less than of 157 is 156. So 10 less than of 3436 is, so 10 less than is 3426. So this will be 10